What is going on, guys? Disney Benefits back with a brand new video. I know it's been a little while, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It's the fall season and school hasn't been that forgiving, but here's a new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be learning how to make a keychain, a very simple DIY, if I do say so myself, out of a 51 cent. You can get these anywhere in the parks. Crushed penny, as you just saw. So what you're gonna need is a pack of keychains from your craft store or dollar store, a very small drill bit, a piece of wood to be able to drill on, and a crushed penny of your choice. To begin with, you're going to be picking out your favorite crushed penny, the one that you want to make a keychain out of. And what we're going to be doing is drilling a hole right below the top border. Placing our penny gently against a piece of wood. I would highly recommend adult supervision if you're under the age of 13. Now drill very gently. As you see, I pressed a little too hard and the drill bits kind of tried to warp on me a little bit. Cheap drill bit, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Now we got our hole set up. So now we're going to be separating a keychain, connecting it to the crushed penny, and having ourselves a Disney keychain for, I don't know, like under $2 maybe? $2 Canadian here. Maybe even cheaper in the States. Now this can be done with any keychain. If you have any keychains from years ago that you don't care about, of course you can disassemble those, but I just chose to buy a pack. I don't know, maybe I'll want to make some more in the future. Now I did get this awesome clasp style keychain. As you'll see it in action here, it makes it a lot easier to put it on your keys and to take it off if the keys get a little too bulky. I would highly recommend this. I actually got this at a Dollar Tree, so if you're in Canada or the US, you should be able to find it pretty easy as their products match. And that's the whole DIY. As you see, that's one that I made last year, and this is one that I made this year. I kind of want to keep it a tradition as much as I can. Yeah, with all that being said, that's all I have for you today. Have a magical day and a very merry on birthday to the most of you. Thanks for checking out today's content. As you see on the screen, there are some links to some more videos made by yours truly. If you don't really want to look at any of those, there is tons of content to check out on the channel link below. Maybe you'd consider subscribing, as I do have some more stuff coming out very soon, part of that being Disney pins, as I've sort of gotten neck deep into pin collecting and trading as a way to deal with stress and have a little fun hobby. Expect some videos on that very soon. In any case, I wish you guys a magical day, as I said earlier, and yeah, take care.